Hey, welcome to the Freelance Business OS, a template designed to help you organize every aspect of your freelance life, business, finances, clients, and more. This video will serve as both a presentation and a guide with tips and tricks to help you get the most out of this template. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video. Let's navigate to the client's dashboard for access. From here, you can get a comprehensive view of all your projects, tasks, finances, and events related to your clients. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find your most important clients, which you can select from the client portfolio. You can manage your calendar directly from this dashboard. Start by creating a plan by clicking here. Feel free to rename it and select the corresponding date. You can also add a reminder so that Notion notifies you when your plan is upcoming. Additionally, you can set a time, add deadlines, and include tags. Don't forget to link the plan to the relevant client. Once you finish setting up your new plan, click the checkbox to move it from the checkbox section to the regular view. Just below, you'll find the day's events and tasks due today. For tasks, you can expand the daily view to see weekly and monthly perspectives. The same applies to the schedule plan. Just open the toggle section below to switch views. You can also quickly view projects linked to each client. We'll explore project management in detail later, but for now, note that you can track the time spent on each project. This is useful for calculating prices based on your hourly rate, as well as tracking income and expenses through your transactions and invoices. You can also access monthly and weekly calendar views. The client checklist helps you define your ideal client and grow your portfolio strategically. To assist in targeting your audience, there's a persona section on the right side of the dashboard where you can outline your ideal client profile. To add a new client, go to the Client Portfolio database and click New. Then, name your new client and add their phone number and email. If the client is significant, check the corresponding box so they appear on your client dashboard. Otherwise, they'll remain in the database. You can now link your new client to any event or project, and the information will be automatically updated. The Project Management Dashboard is designed to help you efficiently track your projects. From here, you can access your ongoing projects, view your tasks for the day, week, or month, and keep an eye on your high-priority tasks. Let's move on to the project creation process. At the bottom of this section, you'll find a comprehensive project workflow guide to assist you throughout your project journey. Now, return to the top of your dashboard to create a new project. Click on the appropriate view, then select the action button on the left. Rename your new project and choose the client you want to link to it. Once that's done, open the project page to start configuring it. Depending on your needs, you can create 3 different types of projects. The Simple Project option is perfect for defining your goals and ideas without needing modules or task organization. It's ideal for those who want to set goals and brainstorm ideas without diving into detailed task management. If you prefer more structure, you have 2 additional options: the Complete Project and the Advanced Project. The Complete Project offers a straightforward task management system. while the Advanced project includes a more detailed module and task system. You can select the project type that best fits your requirements by clicking the New button when creating a project. Now, let's create an Advanced project. At the top of your project dashboard, you'll find a timeline where you can outline different project phases to break down the workflow. To add a new module, click on a start date and drag it to the end date. Once the module is created, give it a title in the provided space. All your modules will be displayed in the Modules and Tasks section, giving you a clear overview of the project's progress. To add subtasks to your modules, simply click on a module, then click the New Task button in the linked Tasks Manager. Name your task and set the due date. The task will now appear in your project dashboard. You can update the task status to reflect its progress and add detailed descriptions. Don't forget to track the time spent on each task by adding a start and end time. You can create multiple time entries, and Notion will automatically calculate the total time spent, displaying it in the dashboard. Each project dashboard also includes an Invoices and Expenses section, where you can manage all transactions related to your project and client. To add an invoice, click the corresponding button and select the date. Then, enter the amount and choose the appropriate category to organize your invoices. Once everything is set, update the invoice status from draft to paid. Only paid transactions will be counted. The expenses database works similarly. You can monitor updates directly from the dashboard, where reports on received and canceled invoices will be displayed. The Finances dashboard serves as a monthly report for all transactions entered into your project management system. You can also manage invoices and expenses separately. The bank account section tracks all transactions for the current year automatically, so there's no need for manual setup. Only transactions from the current year will be included. Access the Incomes database to review the invoice we linked with the new project earlier. Feel free to open it to view all relevant details and add any additional information if needed, such as an attachment. Return to the Finances dashboard to check your monthly income report. You can view it as a graph or in a table format. You'll also find a table for expenses and a general report by client. Just below, the income areas and budget tracker work on a monthly basis, making it easy to navigate through each month with a simple click. From these databases, you can customize your income goals and set spending limits for expenses. The progress bars will automatically update based on your data. The Ideation Hub allows you to catalog all your ideas and begin the ideation process with ease. Start by clicking the Action button to create a new ideation page. Once opened, you can rename it and add a cover image that represents your idea. Add relevant tags and update the status from Inbox to In Creation to move the new ideation page from its initial location to the regular view. The ideation database is organized into a board view, a creation phase view, and a done view. You'll also find an archive section. Within the ideation page, there are 6 steps to help you develop your idea from a simple concept into a fully realized plan. Each step includes 2 buttons that allow you to mark it as complete or incomplete. As you update the steps, the progress bar on the dashboard will automatically reflect your progress. At the bottom of the dashboard, you can easily add notes and ideas. You can organize these from the inbox to various views, and eventually to the archive. You can also use the brain dump method to quickly jot down ideas. As a freelancer, the Growth and Strategy dashboard is crucial for maintaining a clear path for your personal business. At the top of the page, you'll find a goals tracker that covers each aspect of your business. This dashboard includes a 6-step process to guide you, starting with defining your vision and mission. The vision board is user-friendly. Simply click the New button and add an image by uploading it from your personal files or embedding it from a web link. Next, perform a SWOT analysis of your business and use the SMART goals method to set your long-term objectives. Click New to enter multiple long-term goals, organize them into categories, and set realistic deadlines. You can then update the status as you progress. Finally, you'll find sections to develop a marketing strategy, build a financial plan, and explore tips for monitoring and adjusting your business. The annual roadmap is organized by year, allowing you to add 1 or more goals for each month and track their progress. For a quick overview of the Legals and Contracts section, you'll find the Sales Policy area at the top of the dashboard. To customize it, simply enter one of the templates and replace the highlighted elements with your own information. At the bottom of this dashboard, you'll find the Licenses section, which functions similarly to the Sales Policy database. Once edited, you can export these documents and start sending them to your clients. The Contracts database, located just below, allows you to generate multiple contracts and link them to the corresponding projects. Be sure to add the contract type and date. We'll now return to Project Management, where contracts can also be managed directly from the project dashboard. The timesheet page allows you to calculate the total amount you should charge your client for each task based on your hourly rate. As mentioned earlier, tracking the time spent on each task within your project management system is crucial. This not only helps you calculate the total hours invested in a project, but also enables you to create a customized invoice with a detailed timesheet. To get started, Set your hourly rate for each task. If the total time hasn't been recorded yet, make sure to update it so the total amount will be calculated automatically. In the project view, you'll find a report at the bottom of each table summarizing the total charge for the entire project. Additionally, a summary report for each project can be found at the top of the dashboard. The email list is designed for simplicity. It features a single database where you can add and manage your email contacts to help grow your business. The default view shows all the emails you've captured, but you can easily filter them to display only active or inactive emails. This allows you to manage your email list more effectively. The account access allows you catalog your professional accounts to get access to it directly from Notion. You can also add a link for all the website you need. If you need to add another account, just click the button New from the corresponding database. Name the new page and add a cover by downloading it from your personal files. Discover a comprehensive and user-friendly business plan that you can customize to fit your needs. You'll also find a business info section where you can provide a detailed description of your business. Additionally, there is a brand guidelines page that you can customize to fit your brand's needs. Finally, the portfolio section lets you showcase your work and easily share it by creating a Notion website from this page.